Trump threatens to hold WHO funding, then backtracks amid search for scapegoat. US President's early inaction in pandemic has come under renewed scrutiny in recent days as coronavirus death toll grows. Donald Trump blames WHO for dire situation in the US, threatens to pull funding. Video. Donald Trump hunted for a new scapegoat on Tuesday in an increasingly frantic attempt to shift blame for thousands of American deaths from the coronavirus, accusing the World Health Organization (WHO) of having called it wrong and being China-centric. The US president contradicted himself within minutes, first vowing to put a very powerful hold on his government's funding of the WHO, then insisting such a freeze was only under consideration. Trump's early inaction has come under renewed scrutiny in the past day after a New York Times report that Peter Navarro, Trump's trade advisor, warned in a memo in late January that the virus could put millions of Americans at risk and cost trillions of dollars. Susan Rice, a former national security advisor, told The Washington Post that Trump's missteps cost tens of thousands of American lives. The president has repeatedly denied responsibility and sought to blame China, the Obama administration and the media. On Tuesday, with the US death toll exceeding 12,000, he unleashed a tirade at the WHO, even though it raised the alarm in January, after which he made statements downplaying it and comparing it to the common flu. "They've been wrong about a lot of things," Trump said at the daily White House coronavirus task force briefing. "And they had a lot of information early and they didn't want to. They seemed to be very China-centric," implying that the WHO had toed the line of Beijing's early efforts to minimize the scale of the outbreak. Shaking his head peevishly, he added, "They called it wrong, they called it wrong. They missed the call. They could have called it months earlier. They would have known and they should have known and they probably did know. So we'll be looking into that very carefully, and we're going to put a hold on money spent sick to the WHO. We're going to put a very powerful hold on it and we're going to see. It's a great thing if it works, but when they call every shot wrong, it's not good."